Mm.
All right. So go ahead, state your name, where you're from,
All right.
who are you?
Well, I'm Isaac Pena.
My name's Alexia.
My name is Chandra Cubit.
Hello, my name is Evelyn Mendoza.
My name's Luis De La Rosa.
I've been going to Luling High School and just Luling since I was in pre-K.
I graduated from Luling High School in 2025, and Luling High School has shaped me into wanting to do better and to have a bigger future.
It's actually a big opportunity, not only for me, but for everyone in Luling, because they get to see, that there's opportunities out there. I didn't really hear of any other manufacturing program that was doing the same thing.
The reason why I wanted to join this program was probably because it's a good opportunity. It's gonna help me learn new things, step out of my comfort zone.
I didn't know where to start in life, so I seen this opportunity, so I just thought it would be good.
It's a great thing. It's a great achievement because in my family, not everyone went to college. Not everyone was able to get this opportunity. It's not like they didn't want to. It's just the opportunity wasn't put there for them.
My cousin is Isaac Pena. We're very close-knit.
And it's like having my cousin Caleb with me, it helps so much. It helps me go more, because there's times where I'm just like, man, I don't know if I can do it.
My family and I were very excited on me getting into this program.
It's gonna help a lot, money-wise. Well, we're definitely gonna succeed in life.
It's honestly a good program to set up a career. You could start a good career coming out of high school, straight out of high school, because I had no plans of going or what I wanted to do and going to school. And I heard about the program, and I heard I could start a manufacturing career from it and going to school. So I took the chance and I came to school, and it's honestly the best opportunity.
What motivated me to join this program would be, to be honest, it was the money that I would be able to get and the opportunity, because when I was out of high school, I had a lot of offers for sports from many colleges, but after my injury from tennis, I realized that the sports way might not be beneficial for me, and I won't be able to benefit as much as I would have wanted before I got injured.
Because then if it's good for me, man, it's got to be good for other people too. So
I need to stick with it and focus and work hard to get to the next level.
I had to try it, and here I am now.
Maybe it can change around for myself.
There's a lot of great things that come out of this program.
I just want to say thank you to Ms. Gomez, for always being so nice to me and helping me get basically everywhere. She basically took me to Tesla, and she helped me through everything. And I just wanted to say thank you to her, because without her, I wouldn't be here.
When I walked in the first day, she was just ready to get me started, ready to get me going, ready to get me on the right track, making sure I have a babysitter, making sure I had transportation, making sure. Then that's when I was like, this is real life.